I found a brand new print-on-demand product that generated over 2,000 sales in the last 30 days, and almost nobody's talking about it yet. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly why it's selling, how you can compete using Printify, and then I'll show you a second strategy using AI that lets you turn simple photos, which is along with this niche, into products people are already buying on Etsy right now. If you're new here, I've been selling print-on-demand since 2017, and I always look for products that are already proven to sell. So we're not guessing, we're just executing. So let's start with the data, because what I'm about to show you is coming directly from Amazon. On screen right now are product listings for scrapbook style photo books. Now, one of which really caught my attention because it's sold over 2,000 times in the last 30 days. Now, that's not a guess. Amazon's telling us what customers are buying right now. Now, what I like to do is go a layer deeper in my research using Merch Dominator. Now, I have the Chrome extension installed, and because of that, when I go to a product listing, I can scroll up and at the top of the page, I can see the entire sales history. By the way, that helps me track seasonality. So if I look at the yellow line here and I hover over any date and time, for instance, December 2025, there's a massive drop off in the yellow line implying a lower BSR, which implies more sales. That's a good thing. So you can see the seasonality of any product right away. I can see the price history and I get estimated sales. So all of this is a great thing when it comes to research so that you skip over products that aren't performing. Now, what I love about this product specifically is that it's not complicated. It's a simple concept. A themed photo book people are buying for memories, gifts, events. It really doesn't matter. It's up to them. And when we sell it as a custom product through Amazon Custom, which we can do with the Printify integration, we then have the ability to fulfill it using the new arrival in Printify's catalog for the hardcover photo book. All right, now if you weren't aware, District Photo offers these, and you can always click provider info and see that there's two different sizes. There's an 8-inch by 8-inch, which starts at $11.23, or with Printify Premium, only $8.29. So you can literally compete with the best of them on Amazon, or the 11-inch by 8.5, so standard size, and that begins at $9.12 with Printify Premium. And I've got a code in the description so you can get a free month of Printify Premium if you've never signed up. So I wanted to make sure you guys were aware that this product existed, and all you need to do is take the images that the customer provides, put them in the photo book, and you're done. Think about it. This simple photo book is selling thousands of times per month, and you now have access to a similar product through Printify that's a new arrival, so a lot of people aren't even aware. That's the opportunity. You can create your own version, target similar keywords, and differentiate with your design or different niches or themes. And because it's print on demand, you're only producing it after you get paid, and we don't even produce it. We let Printify handle that automatically. What's not to love? But hang on, it's gonna get better. What I'm gonna show you next leverages AI to stand out from the crowd. On Etsy right now, there are listings selling between 20 and 400 units a month, all based on transforming customer photos like you see here. Now, this is on the high end. You can see this listing is doing 399 sales a month, and I can tell that because I'm using the Everbee Chrome extension for help with my Etsy research. It's done 1,050 total sales. It's got 28,850 views, got a 3.64 conversion rate, and the listing is only 3 months old somehow. So they must have either started this trend or just jumped out ahead of it right before it started popping off. They have 828 favorites as well, and it's in 20 plus carts. Absolutely insane. Love this. This is great signal when I'm doing research, and when I see something like this, I just want a piece of the pie. So what they're doing, it's very simple. They're taking a customer's image and turning it into a stylized design, something that used to require graphic design skill, but no longer. So in this case, it's a vintage black and white photo, all right, that they're turning it into. It's almost like they're, we took a big step forward with photography technology and cameras. Now we're gonna kind of go and retroactively apply that old style. And here's the part that makes it scalable. We can do this for free using Google Flows. Inside Google Flows, you can access Google's powerful Nano Banana model, including Nano Banana 2, upload a customer photo, and prompt it to transform the image. Now, I've shown this before in a previous video, but you can actually do this for free. Right now, I'm gonna prove that because I am on my free Google account. I do have an upgraded account, but what I'm gonna show you is using a free account. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project, and then I copied one of the photos from that Etsy listing that we just looked at. So I copied this photo, try to replicate as best we can what we saw in this demo. So I'm not actually intending to monetize this. I'm doing it for the YouTube video, to be clear. So I'm now gonna prompt it, create a clear black and white old school vintage filter to this photo. I'm gonna say apply instead of create. Apply a clear black and white old school vintage filter to this photo, mimicking an old style photograph. And then down here, you can click, you can change the aspect ratio. You can actually do videos as well, but I'm gonna keep it on image aspect ratio. I'm gonna change it to 3:4, which best mimics a t-shirt. You can actually change how many outputs. So I'm gonna go ahead and select 4, and then I'm gonna keep it on Nano Banana 2. Let's see what happens. And just like that, within seconds, we've completely transformed the original image that we would pretend is from the customer into something that looks like it's from decades ago. This is the product, and we have 4 different options to choose from, which is pretty incredible. You can see the original here behind me, and then the 4 different outputs that Nano Banana 2 applied for us based on our simple prompt here in Google Flows. I mean, guys, it doesn't get much better or easier than this. So to recap, we have this listing, the best seller, 399 sales a month. We've got this one right here, not doing 399 sales a month, but doing a respectable 39, selling at least once a day. Hey, I'll take that. This one's doing 57 sales a month. And yes, they're adding in a little bit of text, all that's optional. Do what you think's best and maybe experiment with different listings and see if customers prefer with text, without text, with the year, with customizable text, etc. But that's 57 sales a month, about 2 sales a day. This one applied a background to the photo to mimic one of those old school Polaroid camera, instant photos, and they added a few ribbons as well. And that's only doing 7 sales a month. But again, this is a new listing. And I know this because, again, I'm using the Everbee Chrome extension for research. I can see that this listing's only 2 months old. By the way, if you're wondering the difference between, 400 sales a month and it's only 3 months old versus the one we just looked at, well, I'm guessing this one is spending a lot more money on ads, okay? I don't know this to be true for a fact, but, well, I actually did see it as an ad, so I do know that they are advertising it. And here's one more doing 13 sales a month in the same niche. And here's where it connects back to print on demand. Those Etsy examples we just looked at, a lot of them are being sold on t-shirts, specifically the Comfort Color 1717. Now, it just so happens that Printify has that in their catalog, so you can take that design that we used AI to modify, upload it to Printify, and sell it on something like the Comfort Color 1717 shirt or whatever other shirt you want from their massive catalog. And you can get started for free, by the way, so there's really no reason not to try this. From there, when orders come in, everything's automated. Printify will route the order to one of their printers that's best equipped to fulfill it at the best price for us, and then they'll print it and ship it, and the customer's gonna receive that tracking notification as soon as it's shipped. So your job is just creating the listing and delivering that personalized design that we've already validated using real research, real data. So to recap, we have 2 proven strategies. One is selling photo books that already have thousands of monthly sales. And 2 is using AI to transform customer photos into unique products that people are actively buying on Etsy. Both are simple, both are scalable, and both are things you can start today. If you got value from this, make sure you're subscribed. I post new print-on-demand strategies like this every week. And let me know in the comments, which one would you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.